Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up your Fiverr affiliate account for 2024. If you're a freelancer looking to boost your income, this is a game changer. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or have some experience, this guide will help you get started smoothly. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Fiverr Affiliates website. You'll see a big, bright Join Now button. Click that, and you'll be taken to the registration page. Now, here's where you gotta fill in your details. Your name, email, password, and so on. Make sure everything's correct, because Fiverr will use this info to set up your payments. Double-check your email for typos and ensure your password is strong. Once you've filled that out, click on Next. Fiverr is going to ask about your promotional methods. This is where you detail how you're planning to promote Fiverr. It could be through a blog, social media, YouTube, whatever works for you. Be honest and detailed here, as it helps Fiverr understand your strategy. Next, Fiverr will review your application. This usually takes a few hours, but it could be up to a day. Patience is key here, so just chill and check your email for updates. Maybe take this time to brainstorm some promotional ideas. Okay, now let's assume you're approved. Congrats! Log back into your Fiverr Affiliates dashboard. This is your command center. You'll find all the tools and resources you need here. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout. To get started, click on Marketing Tools in the dashboard. You'll see a bunch of options like Fiverr CPA, Fiverr Hybrid, and more. Don't get overwhelmed. CPA is great if you want immediate payouts for every action your referrals take. Hybrid combines upfront payments with ongoing commissions. This can be beneficial if you're looking for a mix of immediate and long-term earnings. Select the one that fits your strategy best. Think about your audience and what would appeal to them. Then, grab your unique affiliate link. This is what you'll share to start earning commissions. Pretty cool, right? Make sure to share it in places where your audience is most active. Now don't forget to track your performance. Head over to the Reports section in your dashboard. Here you can see how many clicks, registrations, and commissions you've earned. This data is crucial for understanding what works and what doesn't. Adjust your strategy based on this data to maximize your earnings. And that's it! You're all set to start earning as a Fiverr affiliate in 2024. It's a fantastic way to diversify your income as a freelancer. The more effort you put in, the more you can potentially earn. So, what are you waiting for? Jump in, set up your account, and start promoting. The sooner you start, the sooner you can see results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.